Give yourself quite a bit of flair when you walk out in these heels by Chinese Laundry. You'll adore this synthetic upper that has this beautiful textured metallic-like surface, giving you lots of shimmer and shine, but also adding some subtle details. You'll love the fact that you'll have 3 straps that lock you into place and that are encrusted with all of these jewel embellishments, giving you quite a glamorous style. You'll have an open square toe, giving you that classy feel, with a heel counter that'll keep you nice and stable, and a beautiful buckle closure around the ankle that'll allow you to customize the fit. Inside is a synthetic lining with a footbed that has quite a bit of cushioning to give you some added comfort, and you'll adore this beautiful flared heel that'll give you quite a bit of extra style while also giving you a boost of height. The outsole has some extra texture, especially at the toes, to add some grip to your steps, and you can wear these on any night out for a shimmering, eye-catching appearance.